Anthropic just dropped Claude Opus 5, and this isn't another small AI update. It's a smarter, faster, cheaper to run, and built to handle serious coding agentic tasks. So the real question is, did Anthropic just release the best AI model on the market? Hey, my name is Ali, and Anthropic has just released Opus 5, which is the better model, like better version of Opus 4.8, which is the former one. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly good is this model. So now they are just saying that Opus 5 is designed to be used for everyday tasks. It works more efficiently than other models. It's the new default model on Claude Max and the strongest model on Claude Pro. So here is the benchmark from Anthropic that they are basically comparing it to Fable 5 Opus 4.8, which is from the same family, and also from GPT 5.6 Soul. And you can see it performs better than every other model in each area. So for example, the most important ones are agentic terminal coding, the knowledge work, the novel problem solving, and also agentic search. And the most important part is the computer use, which gives the ability to the model to basically take over your computer and use your computer, which you can see it performs higher than other three models. Here we have the frontier bench, which is the agentic coding by effort level when you put it on different reasoning mode. And you can see this line is Opus 5, which basically each dots represent the reasoning effort. So here, as they say, the effort ladders are low, medium, high, X high, max. So basically this is low, this is medium, this is high, this is X high, and this is max. And you can see on the X high reasoning, Opus 5 is basically performing above other models. And here you can also see the cost. But here we have another benchmark from Cursor Bench. Whenever you want to basically see if the model is performing, like how it is performing, the best place to come and check it is Cursor Bench. So for those of you who know what is Cursor, basically Cursor is an agentic IDE, and as soon as a new model releases, like a frontier model releases, they go and check it, they go and test it, and also they put it on the Cursor Bench. So I can definitely say Cursor Bench is a great source or resource that we can basically check it. They evaluate agents are ambiguous multi-file tasks from real cursor sessions. Higher scores are better. So here we have different models, but let me actually show you only Opus 5, which with Fable 5. So this one is Opus 5. If we go on the max effort, you can see Opus 5 on max reasoning did the 70% of the job at the cost of $8.20. And on the other side, we have Fable 5, which if you go and see, which is exactly on the level of Opus 5 Max. Yeah, this one is Fable 5 Max. You can see only 0.5% did more than Opus, but the cost is now $17.32. So we can definitely say that Opus 5 on Max is exactly doing the same as Fable 5, but with the fraction of a cost. So what does it mean? It means basically Opus is now 2 times cheaper than Fable, but doing the same job. Now here I'm on OpenRouter, and I put 3 models together, Opus 4, Opus 5, Fable 5 with GPT 5.6 Soul. So we can compare them side to side. You see all 3 models have 1 million token context length. And if we come to the pricing, you will be surprised. So for 1 million input token, Opus 5 basically costs $5, and for 1 million output, it costs $25. Now on the other side, Fable is almost double. So for 1 million token, it needs $10, and for 1 million output token, it needs $50. And also we have GPT 5.6 Soul, which on 1 million needs 5, which is exactly same as Opus 5, but the output is $30, where the output for Opus 5 is $25. So this will tell us that how cheap is Opus 5 compared to Fable 5 and GPT 5.6. Now if we scroll down, we can see still latency is better with GPT 5.6. So it has been always like this. GPT models are a bit faster than Claude models. I'm not sure why this happens, but of course it also depends on the provider that you use. So for the provider, I put all of them on the same company. So here we choose Anthropic, and here we have OpenAI. But if you put it on different provider, for example, on Google Vertex or Azure from Microsoft, then definitely the numbers will get changed. On OpenRouter, we can see that GPT models are a bit faster. Now for the benchmarks from artificial analysis, this is another source that we can check. For the intelligence, coding, and agentic, Opus 5 is basically ahead of 5.6 Soul and Fable 5. So here if I zoom, you can see that right now Opus 5 is ranked 1, and it is basically 61 here on the intelligence, where GPT 5.6 Soul on the max reasoning is 51. Now this one is for coding, and you see it is only one score ahead of GPT 5.6 Soul on max reasoning at 78. And also for agentic, again, Opus 5 is rank number 1, which is 55, where the GPT 5.6 Soul Max is 54. Now, with that being said, we can certainly say that Opus 5 is now the best AI model on the market. Basically, it's the best AI frontier model right now as we have. Let me know in the comments, what would you build with Opus 5 if you have access to it? I'll see you in the next one.